POV. When Asian mom gets hungry and can't wait to go home. She cooks a whole fried chicken in the middle of the parking lot. Dipped in extra chocolate to make our dentist happy. But wait, there's more. Five Guys triple patty melt for extra protein. Then made a little noodles for dessert. Is this too much chocolate? Does it hurt the chicken?